Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and today I have another package. So I'm going to open this bad boy up, and we'll open it together. So, let's see, there's a box in here. So we'll just cut this little guy open. And it is, which you can see from the title anyway, but you know, keep it. Whoop. There we go, and it is Enailcouture. What? Can you see the box? Yep, Enailcouture. Max Estrada. So, cute little box. And what kind of fun do I have? The boxes are always so cute. So I'm going to empty this little guy out. Package, it always seems to be packaged very nicely. I get my packages really quick. I ordered it last week. It usually comes within a week, which is awesome. So they upped their shipment game. So it is very good. So I'm going to open, well, we'll start with this. So I got these cool gems, so those will be fun to use. Aren't they pretty? I'll bring them up closer. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? Pretty. Yeah. So those are pretty. So let's open this one. Let's see if I can get it open. There we go. So this is Glow in the Dark Top Coat, number 49. It's Precious Minerals. That is so cute with the carnival looking circus thing on there. That is so cute. So glow in the dark, we're going to have to try that out. But I'm going to open everything first and then we can play. So this is a set, as you can see. Fun gel. Yay! Fun, sparkly, glorious gel. So this is, well, can I read any of the flash? So I got 147, 148, 149, 150, and 151. So I don't know if I can, of course I don't have any nails out. Well, that would be handy, huh? So let's get some nails out. And I have these random crappy little nails. So I'll use those. So I'm very excited to use this. So let's play. So I just have these full cover nails with hair in it. I don't know how there's hair in it, but whatever. So, ooh, that's fun. So let's try. We'll shake it up a little bit, I guess. Let's see. And if I can open it. Aha! I love the handle. So cool. Okay. So we'll just, it's just a top coat. Just a clear top coat. I'm not doing the whole nail. I just did part of it. And I'm going to stick that in for, let's just do 60 seconds. I am excited to use that. So that is the Precious Minerals Glow in the Dark Top Coat. And then I've got all these little fun gels. So, how do I want to, oh, I know what to do. I'm going to pause you. I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm starting with 147 in the fun gel. And see how beautiful this is. Oh, yeah. Liking it already. 147. So this is one coat. Ooh, 148. Couldn't make up my mind on what color I wanted, so I got all 5. So that's 148. I've been seeing him advertise these on Facebook and Instagram. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh. That's 147, 148, 149. This is 150. Ooh. And then we'll see if I can tell the difference with that glow in the dark one. And then this is 151. Oh, I love purple. Beautiful. Okay. So these are going to go in there and cure. And can I tell the difference? Can't tell. Clear coat's on there. Oh, where am I? It's on there, but I can't tell if it's going to glow in the dark. There's a lot of light in the room. So I'll let you know. I'll wait till it gets dark and I will see if it glows for me. It's on this part, because that'll be cool if it does. So I will let you know in the little descriptions down below here right now if it works. Right here. Okay. Anyway, I got a couple seconds left, so we'll test out the Fun Gel. 147, 148, 149, 150, 151. Love the bottles. They're so pretty. And here we go. Ooh, oh, so glorious. All the sparkles. That's pretty. Bring it up close. Isn't that nice? I like that. Ooh, pretty. Yeah, so those are cool. So I like it. So that is fun. So I can't wait to play with that on my fingers. So the colors are pretty, and this is only one coat. It has a slight tacky layer, but a little alcohol will get that off, but I would definitely top it with a top coat anyway. So that is gorgeous. Okay, so thank you for joining me on my quick little video. And I love Enailcouture's products. They've been great. Love it. So thank you so much for joining me. I will catch you next time. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified on when my videos upload. Yes, don't miss anything. So I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.